So ladies and gentlemen, friends and families, it gives me great pleasure to introduce you to the Haybarn 4. This is one of 2 Haybarns that we've still got remaining for sale here in the Hawthorns development, and this home represents fantastic value for money, if I do say so myself, to any eventual buyer. Now that's not just because of the property itself and the footprint and the beautiful village in which we find it. That's because of the specification of this plot in particular, where the developers have done a fantastic job of giving you all the bells, whistles and upgrades that you could ever imagine. And we see that straight away here in the family kitchen. For example, the work surfaces that you can see just behind me are solid quartz, something that you rarely see in a property at this price point. You've got the added benefit of a built-in wine cooler, you've got a double AEG oven and grill, a built-in AEG microwave, as well as an upgraded extractor fan. Now these are all things that typically you might expect to pay extra for, but they're all included as part of the current asking price. If that wasn't enough, you've also got a huge bifold door to the back wall, which more or less removes an entire wall from the property, connecting you to the beautiful gardens outside, ideal for when it is that you're ready to raise a toast on completion day in the benefit of the Elswick sunshine. Now this home really is ready to move into. The specification is high. The gorgeous tiles beneath my feet expand onto the reception area, which would be fantastic if it was staged as a home snug or maybe even a formal dining space. Now whilst we're on the subject of how this space could be styled, it's worth me pointing out that you absolutely can incorporate a chef's island into this space if you so wish. In fact, we found one of the neighbouring properties on a similar footprint who's done exactly that, and they were kind enough to invite us into their home, so come with me as we take a look at what an island would look like in this space. So what did you think of that? Now if you're looking for a space for a spot of informal dining or maybe just some additional storage, that's absolutely something you can look into. But to bring things back to this plot for just a second, at the front facing aspect of the home, we've got a formal lounge area. Again, we've got great use of glass, which perfectly frames those beautiful views over the farmland into the distance. And you've also got the added benefit of built-in storage, a utility space and a WC on the ground floor. Upstairs, we've got 4 good-sized bedrooms, and the master bedroom is served by a private ensuite facility. As we've come to expect from Kingswood Homes, this space has also been finished to a high standard, and it features a walk-in shower. The remaining 3 bedrooms are all being served by a principal family bathroom suite, again which is accessed from the first floor landing. So thank you for tuning in for today's short tour of the Haybarn 4. I hope that you enjoyed exploring this home as much as I enjoyed presenting it to you. Now if you'd like to see this property for yourself firsthand, please do give me a call on the details that follow, and I'd be more than happy to give you your very own private visit. My name's Ben, thank you for watching.